On question number 8, we're trying to find the solution to the system of inequalities. So we're given two inequalities here, and we need to graph them both. So my first step is to isolate for y in both of these. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and we get y is less than or equal to negative x plus 4. And because this is less than or equal to, we are shading below. 4x minus 2y is less than 6 is our second inequality. I want to subtract 4x from both sides. Then I want to divide both sides by negative 2. So we get y, positive 2x, and negative 3. But because I divided by a negative number on both sides, I need to reverse the inequality sign. So we have y is greater than 2x minus 3. So I'm going to be shading above this line. So now I'm ready to type in my inequalities into the calculator. So I'm going to press y equals and type in negative x plus 4 into y1 and 2x minus 3 into y2. And then I want to move the cursor all the way to the left onto the line symbols. And I want to scroll through all of the options until my y1 is a lower triangle and my y2 is an upper triangle, because I'm trying to shade below negative x plus 4 and I'm trying to shade above 2x minus 3. So then if you press graph, this is what our graph looks like. So the intersection of the shadings happens right here. One thing to note is that this line here is actually a dashed line, but it doesn't show up like that on the calculator. So we just need to remember that when we're actually making our graph. Okay, so this line crosses at 4 and 4. And then this line crosses at negative 3 and crosses a little bit to the left of 2. And this was a dashed line. And our shading was right here.